Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, okay? And keep in mind, as these are general love readings, this might or might not resonate with you. If it is not resonating with you, it's not your story at all, okay? And the roles can be reversed anytime. If I'm saying this is your energy, it might be your partner's energy. And if I'm saying you are feeling like that, might be they are feeling like that, okay? So let's start. And this is a reading till 21st of July. Now let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Scorpio. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, Knight of Cups. I feel like your partner right now is in this lovey-dovey energy of I love you and yes, do you love me? And they want to offer you all the love of the universe. This is the Knight of Cups. So your partner right now is completely in love and this is not mature energy. Actually, this is developing. Still developing, but yes, they are passionate. They are feeling like, yes, I love this person. I'm in love and I'm feeling good. So they're feeling good about this love, these feelings. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups in their current energy. I'm having cold. I'm really sorry about that. I can't help it. Ace of Pentacles, a Page of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Yes, definitely. So this person basically feels like they should renew the vows with you if you are already in a relationship, or if you guys are married, or if you are separated. This person is feeling like there should be a brand new beginning. Might be you guys are doing some kind of work together, some kind of business together, and this is just a start of it. They are developing brand new feelings for you, and they are feeling like you are their soulmate. They are feeling a soulmate connection with you and they are developing brand new feelings for you. And this person is definitely in love with you and feeling like, yes, I love my Scorpio and I want to tell them this ASAP. Yeah? Okay, let's see. Your current energy. Scorpios, let's see what's your current energy. Gosh, my throat is hurting now because of the cold. Mumbai weather is very cold actually these days because of the monsoon. Yeah. Now coming to your current energy, let's see. Star could be dealing with an Aquarius. You are really hopeful about something in your life. I feel like Scorpio, you are healing from something from the past. Now you are really very hopeful and positive about the future, and you're trying to be really very patient, and you're trying to balance your feminine and masculine energy. You can say or spiritual side, yin and yang. So it is like basically you're very hopeful and positive about the future, and you are in a very positive frame of mind right now. Okay, at least you're trying to be. Let's see if you really are or not. Okay, Scorpio, let's see. Queen of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. I feel like you are busy doing your own stuff, busy in your self healing, self love, and busy in your business, doing something that is making you really feel good about yourself, and you are celebrating something in your life. Okay, and you're might be you are just getting yourself ready for a reconciliation with a past person, but still you are standing your own ground. Still you are acting defensive. Although you are hopeful and positive about this connection, still you are acting defensive towards them. Still you are making them feel like I'm not ready. Although I'm happy that yes, this reconciliation is happening, but still there are something that I just want to be very clear about. Okay, so you are acting little detached and off still after having the hope. This is the thing. Now let's see what this person feels for you, what your person feels for you, you can say. Let's see what this person feels for you, Scorpio. Queen of Pentacles. They are feeling like you are looking good, you are feeling good, you are making them feel good, you are working on your business, completely stable, you are practical. So they are feeling like you are beautiful, mature, and practical. This is what they are feeling for you right now. Okay, they are feeling like yes, you are a very stable person, stable minded person, and they can be really happy with you. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles in their feelings for you. Queen of Wands, the Fool, Judgment. Okay, so they are feeling like You are very very passionate about your work, you are starting some kind of new work, new business, new job, and they feel like they want a renewal in this relationship. They feel like you should forgive them and start this connection all over again. This is the situation. Basically they are feeling like whatever you are doing in your life, you are very very passionate about that work, and you are a very attractive person as well and beautiful person as well. They feel like you are starting something new in your life, you are giving your energy to start something brand new in your life, and they feel like you should forgive about the past. You should just forgive them because of the past thing, whatever happened in the past. They want forgiveness from you. They feel like you should just forgive them, and they feel like you should bring stability in this connection. This is the thing, but this is what they feel about you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Let's see what this person wants from you. So this is the Nine of Swords in reverse. I feel like this person wants you to come out of this stress phase. You are in deep anxiety and deep stress right now regarding something or someone, or might be you are overstressing yourself, might be you are overthinking, might be you are overworking. There's something that you are very very worried and stressed about, and this person wants you to come out of this stressful situation and be happy go lucky and enjoy everything in your life. This is the situation. So this person basically wants you to make a decision and stick to that, but don't be stressed about that. This is the thing. Don't be stressed about anything in your life right now. Just sleep on time, take care of your health. This is what they want from you. Beautiful energy. King of Wands, the Devil, Henchman could be dealing with a Capricorn. So I feel like this person wants you to be really, really open and honest with yourself. They want you to come out of this toxicity and negativity that you are carrying in your mind. Might be, I don't feel like you are connected with somebody else as well, but this person is feeling like you are feeling negative and toxic, or you are feeling like you are like obsessed with someone, or some, not someone, might be you are obsessed with something, you are overthinking, you are might be feeling like I am stuck somewhere. They want you to get unstuck. Might be you're overworking. I told you so many times. Might be you're overthinking, overworking. There's negativity, there's toxicity in your environment, and they want you to come out of that toxic situation, toxic energy, negative energy, and just unstuck yourself, or try to see the world with different eyes. This is the Hanged Man, and this person is trying to see the world with different eyes. This is like this. The Hanged Man is like this. This is the true card. So he's upside down, and this person is trying to see the world in a different light, with a different perspective. This is what your partner wants from you, to see the world with a different eyes and see the beauty in the world, rather than the anxiety or stress. Okay. Let's see what is coming towards you, or what to expect from your person till the 21st of July. Let's see. Three of Swords. I don't know Scorpios, but I don't know what is this for. But I feel like you are going to get some kind of sadness or depressing thing from them. Might be heartbreak from their side. Might be you're going to break their heart. There's something that is very depressing that is coming towards you. I don't want to make you feel negative, but there's something that is deeply saddening or deeply hurtful that is coming towards you. Might be you both are going to heal from something. This is the card of healing as well. This is the card that, yes, you are deeply heartbroken. We can understand that, but you have to come out of this situation, and you have to deal with this, and you have to heal from this. This is card of healing energy as well. So there is always positivity in negative cards as well. Okay, so you have to understand that. Let's clarify the Three of Swords further. We will see the clear picture. The Moon, Seven of Swords, and the Sun. Okay, see, could be dealing with the Leo or Pisces. So Scorpio, what is coming towards you till the 21st of July? See, somebody is going to feel like fearful. They are going to act like they are hiding something from you. Might be they are acting self-deceptive. Might be they are breaking their own heart again and again, thinking about the future, that nah, it's not going to work out. It's like very deep, very saddening. It is depressing, but trust me, this is not going to happen. This person will come out of their fearful zone. They are going to tell you that yes, they want you, They have lots of feelings for you, and that's going to make you feel happy. Okay, so beneath this heartbreak, now I'm getting that you are going to heal from this heartbreak. You both the parties, I feel like both of you are going to heal from this heartbreak, and both of you are going to be happy again. Okay, but for some of you, I feel like you are going to feel some kind of pain and some kind of agony and some kind of anxiety that is coming towards you. And for others of you, yes, there is a painful situation, but you will be able to come out of that with the help of your partner. Okay, because this person is going to make you feel really happy afterwards. Okay, so thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye.